I think it will be, it's coming quite soon. It will have immense benefits for humans, and it will also have a lot of dangers.
Why would you say it would be beneficial?
Because, for example, an AI doctor could, that say monitors, let's take the classical scenarios that people talk about, that you go around 24 hours a day with biometric sensors on or inside your body, and they constantly send information.
So you monitored you are monitored.
You're monitored all the time. The information goes to an AI doctor, maybe on your smartphone or whatever, which analyzes all this stream of information and monitors your health in a way which no human doctor can even approach. And it can do things like diagnose cancer when it's still just beginning and it's still very, very easy and cheap and painless to cure it. Instead of waiting for a couple of years until it spreads, and one day you wake up and you feel a bit of pain and you do, it's nothing, and it becomes worse and worse. You go to the doctor, they send you to all kinds of tests, and by the time they find out, maybe it's not too late, but it's certainly going to be a long, painful, expensive process to deal with it. So the promises are enormous. Also, the perils are enormous, and not just to the job market.
So what happens to all the regular doctors? They lose their job?
Depends. They can reinvent themselves and change what they do. Certainly, if most of what you do is just information comes in, you recognize a pattern, and you make a diagnosis, this is something that AI will be much, much better than humans.